Good morning, y'all. Before I show y'all, I literally just posted my tea. Just got up, got my tea going. Y'all would not believe I took 2 sips of my tea and some wild shit just came up out of my esophagus. Here we go. It's black. And don't mind me looking crazy on camera. This just came out of my throat. Oh my God, what is it? Oh my goodness. That's disgusting. I don't even know what it is. It literally came up out of my throat, y'all. I just posted my grandest risings. I'm on here looking crazy. That shit just scared the shit out of me. Senna, Quilla, somebody call me. I'm drinking our tea or detox tea from the membership, and I just started my second round of my of the DYL method. So I just started the second round of the detox. This is day 2. This is day 2. Hey, Novia. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is crazy. I cannot believe it. Something came up in my throat. I'm like, like, what? And it was like all soggy in my mouth. I'm like, oh, I spit it out into my hand. I came into the kitchen, turned the light on. Listen, it's sticky, but then it came up like snot though. It came up like a hard black ball of snot. It was slimy, but it was also hard. I tried to poke at it, but I'm like, oh, I don't want to. This came out up through my mouth. Up through my mouth. Let's get another look. I don't know what the fuck it is. Yes, it is real. Get the poison up out your body. Heal thyself. Whatever it is, I'm so glad it's out. Whew. That's deep. I'm going to keep that right there, because I'm sure Senna or Quilla going to call me and have to explain this to me. But we already all know the answers. Toxins coming out. So I'm going to go back and finish my morning tea. I literally took 2 sips, and I make my tea strong. I literally took 2 sips. 2. And that came up. So it's good stuff. Gets that poison up out you. And let's continue on with the day. Thank you guys for coming in and supporting me. And because I was scared. Open the door for your brother. All right, I'm out, y'all.